Hi guys, today I will explain how to connect Omega Network to Trust Wallet. This process will be simple and easy. We don't need to open the Trust Wallet application because we will do in our mobile phone browser. The first thing is open the browser, and in the search bar you have to search for Coin Market Cap. And once you will search for it, the result will be the same like mine. And here you have to open this coinmarketcap.com. Once it will be open, tap on the search bar icon which is on the right top, and here you have to search for Omega Network. On the top you can see the Omega Network. Click on it, and here just below put links you can see the option compacts. This one is the smart chain called of Omega Network. From here you have to tap on the option copy, which is just next to the Trust Wallet icon. Once you will copy it, close the mobile phone browser and open the Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open, click on this option which is on the right top, and from here again tap on the option plus which is on the right top. You don't have to do anything, just paste the OPIC address. After pasting the address, you can see the Trust Wallet application automatically pick up the Omega Network. You can see the name, symbol, and decimals. The last thing is tap on the option save. Then the Omega Network will be connected to your Trust Wallet, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.